Hello and welcome to today's super fast video, which is called Wild Inside the Day. That's exactly what we got in SP 500, and those charts that I'm going to show you will just illustrate where things stand and where I see stocks moving ahead. You of course know that at the onset of yesterday, given the sharp preceding turn, I had been bullish gold, and you can check for yourself where it is now and how it is reacting to all the continued trade war uncertainty. This is the daily chart, pretty wild inside day. Long lower node, reaching very far inside the more than short squeeze on tariff delay news. Did the buyers or sellers win today? Looking at the candle, I would say clearly it had been, and as well looking at the volume, that this has been the buyers. So that's the daily optic that I'm looking at stocks right now. For our chart, to further fine-tune the perspective. Quite prominent rejection in prices trying to break below, and the key level that I had given to clients somewhat below 5,200, they know the precise figure. Stocks have held it and they did not break below on those repeated attempts within this, each candle representing 4 hours of price movement. And right now they are kind of in a wait and see mode. Of course, the chart is looking somewhat different on the hourly, and that's the subject of what I had been sharing with intraday clients, and the swing ones are already positioned for what I expect in equities to unfold right next. You know that I have been saying quite repeatedly that the US dollar is the one market to look at, given all the uncertainty that is out there beyond tariffs. So, rushing to sell and asking questions later, waiting for the situation to clear up and knowing what it means actually to be holding US dollars or holding treasuries, that's the move that markets are making right now, and we see that reflected in all the major currencies versus the US dollar. So 100 level had been reached, and arguably that's not the end of it, depending on the next policy moves of the US Treasury. So much for how the market setup stands right now, ahead of PPI, and of course with the negative month-on-month CPI. Yesterday we all know that the spotlight is somewhere else right now than on inflation data, and I will be updating as we go, and you can look forward for the usual extensive weekend video.